Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fishing gear with a review of what many anglers consider to be the best casting net for bait on the market, the BasicGear Cast Net. Designed with both beginners and seasoned fishermen in mind, the BasicGear Cast Net boasts impressive features that make it stand out in the competitive world of fishing gear. Let's talk about what sets this net apart. It's crafted from high-quality materials, including reinforced monofilament nylon and premium galvanized zinc iron sinkers. These materials ensure durability and rust resistance, essential for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The net features a 1/4 inch mesh size, which is optimal for catching various bait fish sizes effectively. It's designed for easy throwing with a tangle-free horn and fast sink speed, making it a breeze to use for anyone. For durability, it includes a double lead line and a Japanese stainless steel swivel. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either, with a neoprene wrist strap that ensures a secure grip and reduces strain during use. As a bonus, each BasicGear Cast Net comes with a free repair kit and a handy storage box. This ensures you can keep your gear in top condition and ready to use at a moment's notice. So, why should you consider the BasicGear Cast Net over other options? It's simple: the combination of quality materials, thoughtful design, and included accessories make it a standout choice for anyone serious about fishing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and well-designed casting net that ticks all the boxes, from durability to ease of use, the BasicGear Cast Net is a fantastic choice. Check out the link in the description below to get your own BasicGear Cast Net and level up your fishing game today. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and fishing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.